What's up, peoples? Welcome back to Nate's Journey / Life Lessons. So I want to talk about what I thought about the Revolt Summit panel. I actually think that it was a good thing that this happened. A lot of people were making comments online that this is the prime example of not listening to understand, but listening to respond, and how this was all a big mess and blah, blah, blah. I disagree. I believe that this was actually a good, healthy debate, even though there was some arguing involved and there was mediation that that needed to be had. I still appreciate the debate because I was able to take away from the panel that, again, we can still move forward despite our different perspectives. You would think that, because this person has a different perspective than me, we can't get anything done. But that is a total lie, and this panel proved that there is a lie, because there were similar points that people agreed on that can actually be implemented within the Black agenda in our political system. And the things that were agreed upon is that it is very important to reach the youth and inspire them to be motivated within the voting process. It is important to know what agenda you have to make a difference in the political system. And everyone agreed that the households within the Black community need to improve, particularly with fathers being in the household. So there were quite a bit of topics that were agreed upon that everyone can come together to make sure that this is happening within our community as far as making these improvements and in the political system. And I also liked how the men were standing up for the women that were on the panel, even if they disagreed with their point of view. I like how Killer Mike made sure Candace Owens' voice was still heard. So guys, I want to hear your comments below. What did you guys think of this panel? What did you guys learn from what was discussed? And what kind of agenda do you think we can have despite our different perspectives moving forward? Again, guys, be sure to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon.